Hi everyone and welcome. Today let's make lemon magdalenas or muffins. Soft, spongy and with strong lemon flavor. Let's start and mix in a bowl flour with the baking powder. And put it aside for now. I have washed 3 lemons and will now zest all of them. Let's put all the lemon zest in a big bowl. Add sugar to it and rub the sugar with the lemon zest. It smells very nice, lemony. Now I will squeeze the lemon juice. With the size of the lemons I have, it should be enough with juice of 1 lemon. The rest of the lemons can be used for something else. I will now weigh 50 milliliters of lemon juice and add it to the sour cream. And mix them together. Let's break and add the 3 eggs in the bowl to the sugar. And add a teaspoon of vanilla as well. Now we need to beat the eggs with the sugar till they are light, fluffy and increase in volume. I will start at a lower speed and increase it gradually. It will take a few minutes. It's time now to gradually add and mix in the olive oil. And the sour cream lemon juice mix. As last, let's sift and mix in the flour with the baking powder. The batter is ready. I transferred it to a clean, smaller bowl. Let's cover it and put it in the fridge for an hour or till ready to bake. Let's set the oven to heat to 180 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I will grease the silicone muffin pans I use with a bit of oil and remove the batter from the fridge. It looks a little bubbly, foamy. Let's put the batter in the muffin pans, filling about 2/3. All the pans are filled. Let's put the magdalenas to bake. Increase the oven temperature to 200 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit and bake magdalenas for about 15 minutes till they're golden brown. Remove from the oven, let them cool for a few minutes, and enjoy. If you want to give an additional touch of lemon, mix powdered sugar with a bit of lemon juice. Just enough to have the powdered sugar in a cream-like consistency, and drizzle it on the magdalenas. If you add more lemon juice, the powdered sugar will be more liquidy, get more absorbed by magdalena and not as visible, but there will be more lemon flavor. Thank you for joining me today and see you next week. Bye!